How to reactivate your WorldRemit account. Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'll guide you on how you can reactivate your WorldRemit account, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now, to delete our WorldRemit account we had to contact the customer care, right? So here it was, how do I close my WorldRemit account? To disable it you have to contact them. But if you read the second line, it says if you change your mind you can also reactivate your account by contacting us again. So that's how it works. You can simply contact WorldRemit again the same way you deactivated or deleted your account. Now to do this, there is directly the contact us link that I might leave in the description box below as well if you think that is good for you, or you can click on this button here. Once you go to the contact us link, you'll be able to see different type of information for different countries, because based on those different regions you have different phone numbers as well. And once you go ahead and verify all those numbers, in this case you can just scroll down. For the rest of the world you have this number, call them, let them know that you would like to reactivate your WorldRemit account, and then they should be able to help you with that. This way you can go ahead and then actually reactivate your WorldRemit account. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it did help you then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel, and if you have got any more questions then feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end of the tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.